What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Lone Star Taino. Out here, beautiful Saturday morning. We're riding with a small group out in Katy called Katy Cruisers. We're gonna head out, hit some back streets, go out and get some lunch. But before we get into that, our friend Jeremy, he was supposed to ride with us, but he wasn't feeling well, so hope you get better. Hope y'all enjoy the video.
What do you got there, Dave?
Ribeye.
Ribeye with wild rice?
Yeah, wild rice and fried zucchini.
That looks good. It looked like everybody got steaks.
Oh, yeah, they did.
You got a chicken fried chicken or steak?
Only one got prepared right though, this one here. Well done.
Well done?
What if somebody wants theirs well done?
We ask them politely yet firmly to leave.
He's not from Texas. He ordered an unsweet tea and a well-done steak.
They'll say you can't argue with him because he'll be too busy chewing.
So this might be the last time we ride together, by the way. So I got a chicken fried chicken. It looks delicious. I love chicken fried chicken. I don't know why. I prefer it over chicken fried steak. It's delicious. So we're gonna eat all this and then we'll go ride. Have fun. Hopefully not get rained on.
Go to the park.
The park? The park is you watching Dad ride.
No!
Finished up eating here at Murphy's, a steakhouse in Winchester. Really good. I had the chicken fried steak, chicken fried chicken. Anyways, so we noticed this, a door, and of course it's not real, but that's funny. You can see the legs. Miniature horses. Cool. Hold on. No, go with mom. Go with mom.
You can't get up there.
Look, three ponies are coming.
So we just found little miniature horses and I forget what those are. Anyways, so we're gonna head back, get on the bikes, go back, probably home. I don't know what route. We'll see. So today I wanted to talk about, you know, my reasoning behind why I did what I did with my Roadglide. Especially now that we've seen the Roadglide and Streetglide ST, and all the upgrades that they've come with. You know, the engine is a 117, nice rims. The front fender is a little different. They've done some stuff to it. Of course, it's a little bit more expensive than the special version, right? So I'll take you back whenever I went to get my Roadglide. So I was looking at the special, right? I was actually looking at the I think the Venom it's called, and I like the Venom, that paint scheme. As you can tell from my motorcycle, I like green. And what I liked about that paint scheme, it was green, it was dark, and it also had, you know, that camouflaged chameleon kind of feel between green and purple, and I really liked it. But then I went to go see it in person, and it wasn't really green. And if you've seen it in person, I feel like it was more purple, and then it would fade into green. So I didn't like that. I wasn't sold on that part. So I was looking, and I told the guy what I wanted to do. One of the reps out there in Republic, and then I got to thinking. I was looking at just a Roadglide and comparing the price between the cheapest Roadglide and the Roadglide Special, and I figured, man, why not just do a build? Because I wanted to do a stage 4. I had told myself, whenever I get my Roadglide, I want a stage 4 on it. But whenever I started calculating the numbers, it just didn't make sense for me personally to buy a special and then you know, make it put a stage 4 on it, especially when the only difference between the special and then the Roadglide, or the cheapest version of the Roadglide, were the bags, right? The saddlebags, and then the gas tank cover, and then, you know, wherever the gas tank gas cap. But besides that, everything was pretty much the same. And you know, yeah, this is a matted finish versus the high gloss finish, which again, I didn't really care for that. I wanted power, I wanted performance. So whenever I made the calculations, it just made sense for me to go ahead and get just simple Roadglide. I got it in black. I'll link the video whenever I went and bought it. It was a pretty good video with me and my family and some friends. And then we started the project, right? Decided to do a stage 4 build, and later on I'll go into the details of what went into my stage 4. And yes, I know some of you all will say, man, like, you should just have the build done outside of Harley because of EPA standards, blah blah blah. I could care less. You know, it has enough power right now, and I'm more
concerned about warranty. So once I'm out of warranty, I'll go ahead and do whatever I'm going to do to it. But for now, this is good enough, right? And man, look at that cow. It's going crazy. Looks like it's going to jump that guy. Anyways, but so yeah, I decided to do that, and I'm glad I did that. You know, what I have now, it's far more enjoyable than what I had, and for the price of a Roadglide Special, I have the this Roadglide Poison with a stage 4, and of course I spent more money, you know, doing a custom paint, handlebars, you know, there's a lot. I bought a tank, changed the seat, and we'll go into that later on. But yeah, you know, it's enough for what I wanted. That being said, what are my thoughts? What would I suggest for you to do?
You know something? You suck.
My suggestion is just look at what you want, and then also how much money you want to spend. Are you more interested in performance, and don't really care? In my opinion, the Roadglide Special, yes, it's a beautiful bike, but I don't know. I personally wouldn't spend money on a special. I would, in my opinion, they should do away with the special. Just have the ST, because you have, you know, your nice saddlebags. They're stretched, and then you have also some form of performance. But just to spend more money on a bike just because of saddlebags and whatnot, and in my opinion, Harley should have a pre-built performance bagger. And I know the ST sort of does that, but I'm saying a full-out performance bagger, suspension, stage 4, you know, clutch, everything, and just build it on the Roadglide or Street Glide, you know, the base model. And for the amount of money that you're gonna spend when compared to maybe a ST with a stage 4 or a Roadglide with a stage 4, you'll have a true performance bagger that, you know, for the same price. Because if you look at the costs, you take a special or an ST, drop a stage 4, you're in CVO. In fact, you're higher than a CVO pretty much. That's just my 2 cents. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what you have. It doesn't matter if it's a Roadglide, if it's a Street Glide, if it's a Harley, if it's an Indian, if it's a Honda, Yamaha, who cares? Just get out and ride, enjoy the days, the good days. I think you should also go out and ride in the rain. Some of the best riding and most enjoyable time I've spent on a bike was during or right after getting drenched. Especially, and I'm saying that because we live in Texas, down here close to Houston, so it's hot. So it's nothing better than riding when it's crazy hot and then you get poured on. But then it gets humid, so whatever though, can't complain. So yeah, just get out there. It's riding season. Not that it really ended down here in Houston or South Texas, but well, that's not really South Texas, but you know, towards the Gulf Coast, never really ended. But you know, for a lot of people up north, hey, enjoy the season, get out there, ride. This year I've been asked what do I want to do, or the next updates for my motorcycle. I want to buy a sidecar for this motorcycle. I want to be able to take our kids with us on these rides, and it looks like we're behind a funeral escort So yeah, that's my 2 cents on what I think, or what are my thoughts on the new STs and what I think is worth money. But it's not my money, it's your money, so you do whatever you want. And later on we'll get into the specifics of what went into my Roadglide poison.